Cartoon script. Sheru or Chintu Jungle Race. Animals cartoon for kids. Characters Lion Sheru. Brave but funny lion rabbit Chintu. Smart and fast rabbit monkey Momo. Naughty monkey elephant Gajju. Kind elephant scene 1. Jungle morning animation prompt. Colorful cartoon jungle. Bright sunlight. Birds flying. Cute lion stretching near waterfall. Rabbit jumping happily. Pixar style. Kids animation. Vibrant colors. Cinematic. Dialogue narrator. Ek pura jungle main sab animals. Maze se rate thay. Sheru wow. Kia kubsarat subahai. Chintu Sheru bai. Aaj race lagayan. Sheru haha. Tum mujs jeet nahi socked. Scene 2. Monkey's funny entry animation prompt. Cute cartoon monkeys swinging from trees and falling funny. Jungle comedy animation. Expressive faces. Colorful environment. Dialogue Momo. Race? Main Baa Raha. Momo tree se gurjata hain. Chintu. Ha? Sumbol ka Momo. Momo. Yi tree high slippery the. Scene 3. Race starts animation prompt. Animals standing at starting line in. Jungle. Rabbit ready to run. Lion excited. Elephant blowing trumpet. Energetic cartoon style dialogue Gajju. Ready. Set. Go. Music starts. Narrator. Sab. Animals Tetsi se bien lage. Sheru. Main jeet wallahun. Chintu. Decked hain. Scene 4. The problem animation prompt. Small bridge. Breaking in jungle river. Frightened monkey hanging from wood. Dramatic but kid-friendly cartoon scene. Dialogue Momo. Bacheo? Bacheo. Sheru oh no. Momo danger main high. Chintu. Race bad main. Heli dost ko backate hain. Scene 5. Teamwork animation prompt. Lion and rabbit helping monkey together. Elephant lifting broken bridge. Emotional. Happy cartoon scene dialogue Sheru. Chintu. Tum rope lao. Gajju. Main bridge yathata hoon. Momo. Thank you Dosto. Scene 6. Happy. Ending animation prompt. Animals dancing together in jungle sunset. Happy ending. Colorful kids cartoon. Cinematic lighting. Dialogue narrator. Ustin Sabini. Sika kud